Hi, my friends!
Tom Idiomas. Cleaning the hotel lobby. Hi, Anna. Are you ready to clean the lobby? Hi, Mark. Yes, I am ready. Where are the cleaning supplies? The broom and mop are in the storage room. Can you get them? Sure. I will also bring the cleaning cloth and disinfectant. Great. I will start by taking out the trash. Do we have more trash bags? Yes, there are extra trash bags under the sink. Perfect. After I take out the trash, I will vacuum the carpet. Good idea. I will clean the tables and the reception desk. Don't forget to clean the windows too. Yes, I will use glass cleaner and a cleaning cloth. Nice. After that, we can mop the floor. Okay. Let's finish quickly so the lobby looks nice for the guests. Yes. A clean hotel makes a good impression.